Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along Bob Iacchino. Cryptos have gone dead the last couple days. Let me jump to daily first. Should already set that up. Just to zoom in on this, you can see inside day. So we're getting major volatility compression. So I'm expecting when this does either break out to the upside or break down to the downside, we're going to have a pretty big move on our hands. Going back to the 4 hour, so you see here, really, rotation zone is completely flat, not much use. We're going to watch if we get above 8,900, that's the bullish case for us. Below about 8,650 is the bearish case. And between that, it's the neutral case. So that's where we sit. Again, 4 hour rotation zone is flat and neutral. Daily rotation zone is still bearish. If we did rally, you can see how this 8 is playing. This is that orange line, so it keeps going down and the highs keep going down. So really watch also tomorrow if we make a higher high than the 8. We'll touch on that. If we do rally, this 91.18 is where the 50-period exponential moving average is, the top of this again projection, and still in the rotation zone. So 91.18 and then 9,200 are the key levels if we do break out to the upside. To the downside based off the daily is about 84.50. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also dead and flat. You see here key levels based off the 4 hour chart, and then I'll get to the daily. Sorry, I'm talking too fast today for my own good. 221, close below that, bearish mode. To the bullish side, we're going to be watching about 231. So those are the two key levels on the 4 hour chart. Switching to the daily chart. Daily chart, you can see rotation zone still favors the bearish side. Real area we'll be watching is if we get above 231 is about 235, and then the next major area is 245.50 of breakout to the upside. You can see this was not an inside day. Yesterday was. Okay, yesterday, inside day, lower high, higher low. Today was not inside day. It was an inside day to 2 days ago, but not to yesterday. But still, the key major areas based on the daily chart, 217.50 area, right around this low, and the 50-period exponential, and then the 235.50. Those are the two major areas you're watching for on the daily. A move below this key area that we just talked about is bearish, and above the rotation zone is bullish. So that's what we're watching both on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.